Hey y'all, Chuck here in That Phanom Thailand. Hey, let's go to the dentist and let some lady drill holes in my face.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. That is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm.
Sounds like exciting fun today. I need to get a root canal. I've had a problem with a tooth here for, I don't know, maybe a year now, and I refuse to chew on that side of my mouth instead of going to the dentist. So I don't like the dentist, but I need to get a root canal and hopefully a root canal, or they're gonna have to pull it, and a teeth cleaning. So I'm gonna bring you guys to the dentist, let you know the procedure and the cost of that in Thailand. And then I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but anyway, I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I'm sure it's gonna be fun, right? It always is fun in town. A lot of times people ask me, what is all this crap on the side of your house? Well, most of you know, but my father-in-law has a tuk-tuk manufacturing company, and these are the parts that they have in the house for them. The guys come, they can't keep them at the shop because they can't be watched, and sometimes they walk out the door without being paid for, so they keep them here. And then a lot of people that own tuk-tuks, really they're the only ones that sell parts for them. So yeah, in case you were wondering, right? Okay, well let me find Paige and let's go. Well, I'm back from the dentist. I've been home for a while, but my mouth was numb, so I couldn't talk without drooling all over myself. Let me tell you how my experience went with the dentist. Me and Paige are gonna go to Kuanui's restaurant, have some dinner, and I'll tell you all about it. And, we usually sit out here at night and just people watch. The temperature gets bearable at this time of the evening. I invited them to go eat dinner with us tonight, but Paul Red's addicted to the singing competition show in Thailand, and he's got to watch it every night, so he doesn't want to miss it. So Mama can't come by herself. Where's Paige? Paige, what are you doing? Tamalai. Oh, there you are. I thought you were upstairs. Paige is skinny now. Okay, let's go eat dinner. You gotta pee. So Koh Nui bought new signs. They're all brand new. It looks good. Very nice. Can you see it? Yeah. Very good. Sawai. And she got some signs out here too on the river. One good thing about Thailand is you don't really have to read Thai. You just gotta look at the picture and say, I want that. Huh? Dam. Dam. Very nice. Huh? Kua Nui. It says Kua Nui. Kua Nui. Kua means kitchen. Kua means kitchen in Thai. And Nui is the owner of the restaurant. She's actually the cook. And the one that always talks to us, her name is Nas. Like nitric oxide, Nas. P Nas. P means like a brother or sister or friend of somewhat this kind of the same age. P Nas. Tamalai. Satya. Dat ya. Oh, dat. Like that home. Dat ya. Huh? Satya. Not dat? Dat. Oh. What's sap? Oh. Okay. Y'all are confusing me now.
She say only beer for you.
Merry Christmas, huh?
Christmas.เอาเร็วแหละ
Ding dong.
ติ๊งตังกินอะไรข้าวผัดเหรอ
ข้าวผัดกุ้ง
ข้าวผัดกุ้งจานเล็ก
ข้าวผัดกุ้งไข่เจียวหมู
ผัดเจียวหมูสับอันที่มันเคี้ยวได้เลยถอนแก้วเอาว่าเซ็ตสูนะ
Okay, so I universally do not like going to the dentist. So you guys that have been following us for a while know I've had some tooth problems for probably over a year now since I've been in Thailand. With some videos I had, my face was swollen a little bit because I had a toothache, but just been too busy to go. So I don't like it. So anyway, today I was on a mission to get a root canal and get a teeth cleaning while I was there. Look how beautiful the river is today, isn't it? Beautiful, calm. It's like not really flowing, looks like, but I'm sure it is. So I get there and hang on, we're taking selfies. Anyway, so I get there and then she asked me what in Thailand you got to tell them what you want. Unless you go in and say, hey, I want a checkup, then they'll check you all out and see what you need. So I went in there and said, I want a root canal and I want a teeth cleaning. So I talked to the dentist. She speaks English. I let her know what was going on. So we did some x-rays. And after the x-rays, found out that I can't get a root canal because I waited too long and there's too much damage to the bone. So she had to pull it. Well, it would have been cheaper for me to get a root canal because I have an upper partial denture. So now I have to have another one made. So I've got to go back next week and get fitted for a new upper partial. And it's okay. The one I have now, I'm going to have it kind of redone to fit to, so I have a backup. Because a couple of times I've been eating like a piece of corn and my tooth will break and I have to go run to the store and super glue it back in. Life of getting old, right? So anyway, I told her to make them, the new denture's got to be heavy duty, Falang style, so I can eat whatever, you know. So I had the tooth pulled and I had it cleaned and yeah, so it cost, and she gave me a baggie full of 500 milligram Tylenol that I don't know, I'm not really hurting really at all. So it cost me 1,500 baht for all of that. Yeah, 1,500 baht. So that's 30, 45 US dollars to have a x-ray, prescription, a tooth pulled, and a cleaning. So go back and figure out how much the other stuff is going to cost. But tomorrow we're going to wake up and go back to Mukdahan. I've got to go to the mall and get a pizza pan, another pizza pan for our Sunday Fun Day pizza party. And maybe go on the river and get some lunch.
Okay.
So I think we'll take the mafias on a little road trip. Gonna bring you guys along for that. So I just decided to just come here and get some food. I'm just gonna eat like maybe an omelet and some fried rice or something like that. So I don't know. That's what's happening today. I just sat around and edited videos all day.
Cleaning. Make it สวย สวยแล้ว
She's in there cleaning in the dirt with the white clothes on. Is today Buddha Day?
ไม่รู้ but she not that dirty
No, I would be. I would be.
ใส่
Your place looks good.
Yeah.
Do I? So I.
เหนื่อย
My phone works really good now. Look how clean it is. Oh shit! Hang on, you want to see that?
ขี่รถไปมุกดาหารทำโทรศั
จั
พ
ก
ท์
รยานเหรอ
แมนขี่ไป
ปั่นจักรยานในมุกดาหาร
Chai.
ไปกับใคร
Look at that. My phone looks pretty good now. I like how.
ไปกับใคร
Who you go with ไป
คนเดียวครับคนเดียวถนนเริ่มของสวยขี่ช้า
ดีช้าใช่ไหม
ๆใช่
เขาทำถนนอยู่ไง
ไปริมโขงไงคึกคืน
มาแล้ว
คริสต์มาส
Merry Christmas
เอาก่อนหนูอ่า
อันนี้เท่าไหร่ลูก
Well, that's it, guys. I wish I could say I had a great day today, but I didn't. But tomorrow,
บ่ยอม
we're gonna have fun. Going to the mall, going to Macro, gonna go on the river in Mukdahan and have a lunch with the mafias. I think tomorrow's gonna be entertaining. What do you think?
โอเค
Every day's an adventure. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, you don't have to like the video. It wasn't that exciting today, so I won't ask you to hit like. But if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We have a lot of awesome adventures coming. I'm going to do a live stream update this weekend. I'll update you guys soon and let everybody know exactly what time it's going to be. I'll try to do that tomorrow. I don't even know what day it is. What is it? Wednesday? Yeah. Okay, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Happy?
Happy อิ่ม
Okay.
โทษกับภาพอิ่มแล้ว
And my legs are sore from the bike ride still. Okay, say goodbye. Bye.